And for your backlinks, this is where you want to start from a business point of view. Come and see where you can actually make the savings. So this gives you an idea of, okay, you need this type of budget. Then when you know what you're dealing with, it becomes easier to go out and shop around and see where you can find the deals.
Right. So if you're text link brokers and you're buying, they have 3 different packages. Just take their package and then divide it and then put that in. And if you're doing multiple packages, then are they supposed to divide multiple packages from different providers into one and average them out?
Yeah, you're just looking for average price.
Okay, so an average across all product purchases.
Yeah, that's what you'd like to do. Okay.
So if I'm doing everything in-house or with my team, and I've only got 2 costs really. One is the cost of somebody writing the content, and then somebody else who's a little bit more internet savvy, not particularly a writer, is going to go out and actually post that content for me. Do I put the posting price in the backlink cost, or how does that work?
Well, what's it going to cost you to have that guy sitting there? That's the first question I would ask you. If it's costing you $30 or $40 an hour to have him employed, then typically that's your cost. Unless he's posting 5 articles, then you take cost down because he's getting 5 things posted, which he's creating the backlinks.
Okay, so then I put that posting cost
depends on your...
Right, but I put that posting cost in the backlink area then. That's what you're saying, right?
That's right, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you divide an average. Okay, gotcha.
You've got to always find the average, and that way you can work out roughly what your costs are going to be.
Right.
Okay. So yeah, we define our costs. So this is where we start looking through the whole project. The next step we've got is a team availability for tasks, and the way the system works is as you keep assigning tasks to the team, we've got like a credit-based system set up, and the credits are made up of the amount of hours they've got available to work for you within a set month. So, excuse me. So for over here, you can see, here I've got lots of time available because I've not been doing much, but I've been making my wife work. So I work 25 days of the month and 7 hours a day, whereas Sarah's working 15 days of the month and she works for 5 hours. So the time she has available versus the amount of tasks she's been assigned, you can see that we've exceeded what she has available by 6 hours. So we've over-assigned work to her. If she works hard, she'll come back into the green and she'll earn tokens or credits again or win hours back for the month. But the system basically helps you when you assign tasks to very quickly see, especially if you're working on multiple projects, if you're swamping your team. And that's a major problem in a lot of businesses, is when you overassign work and the team can't cope. And what happens is things don't get finished, and then you start shouting at them or firing them or doing whatever you're doing because they're not getting, a lot of frustration gets created. This tends to manage that part of the business where you can see, right, we're actually running out of work because now we need to employ guys, and then this is where outsourcing the fine stuff comes in. And for now what we've done is we've just linked that to a few other properties over here. Now the way this works, guys, is it looks at all the tasks that are assigned for 1 month and anything that's not been finished prior to the current month, and that's what adds up how much time they've got available or left. So if some guys are getting behind in their work, very quickly their time will run out. And if you look at that in comparison to what's been assigned to that person, you'll very quickly see, okay, this guy's actually way behind on a lot of the work that he has to do. And you can simply do that by clicking into the guy's tasks. You'll see red flags popping up all over him because he's not meeting his deadlines.
So it's cumulative.
Yeah. So if I have Sarah assigned 3 different projects that I'm working on for 3 different clients, it's actually going to total her hours across all of those different projects and show me what time she's got left here, right?
Correct.
Yeah, guys, we modeled this for ourselves based on our own many years of painful experiences.
Yeah, because you can't focus on one product issue or one project because you'll never have visibility of the rest.
Right.
If you focus on the one project, you'll be in the same boat again. Exactly.
Yeah.
So we have to look at the whole story.
Yeah, and that's a great agency feature for those of you on the call who are agents. It's just amazing. Like none of the services, in fact, it's very difficult even using Odesk and those things to kind of get that kind of granular team things for a specific online project. So it's really cool.
Okay, cool. So